their senses stop working. Sarvendriyanam kritim vijayate. Krishna's holy name conquers all the activities of the senses. So at our level, we may not become stunned in whenever we chant Krishna's holy name. But if we are continuously chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Sarvendriyanam kritim vijayate, our senses will get controlled. That is how you see, when we started chanting Hare Krishna mantra, we did not know what is meant by sense control. Right? We were also indulging in sense gratification like everybody else. But as we chanted Hare Krishna mantra, we started chanting with 1 round, came to 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 4 rounds. By then what happened? Our taste for drinking coffee and tea went away. All of us have experienced this, isn't it? Nobody forced us. Here and there we had heard we are not supposed to drink coffee and tea, but nobody forced us. Everybody, all devotees only told, chant Hare Krishna, chant Hare Krishna. That's enough. Rest, all devotees know, rest everything Hare Krishna mantra will do. Then slowly 5 rounds, 6 rounds, 7 rounds, 8 rounds it came. What happened? Onion and garlic went out of our life. Who told us to give up onion and garlic? Nobody told. Just because we got attached to chanting Hare Krishna mantra, these went out of our lives. So you can see how meat eating, intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, all these activities, we stop engaging in these things simply by chanting Hare Krishna mantra. And today, if we stop chanting Hare Krishna mantra, in our life, all these things will make a comeback. Onion and garlic will come back, coffee and tea will come back, cigarette will come back, tobacco will come back, alcohol will come back, everything will come back. They will simply overpower us. But today, we have no difficulty in following these things. Whereas you look at somebody who is not chanting Hare Krishna mantra, he cannot live without coffee and tea. He cannot live without onion and garlic. This is the situation. So, but then for us, it is no issue at all. We don't even think about it. How? Because every day we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So if we simply keep chanting Hare Krishna mantra, today at our level, we are able to control our senses very easily. If we go on chanting, what will happen? Time will come when the power of the holy name will be so overpowering that our senses will stop acting altogether. Will become stunned in ecstasy. And so, Paurnamasi says, Cheta prangani sangini vijayate sarvendriyanam kritim. No jane janita kiyadbir amritaihi krishna iti varnadvayi. Paurnamasi is saying, I cannot understand with what kind of nectar the 2 syllables of Krishna has been created, because that nectar with which this 2 syllables of Krishna has been created completely conquers all my senses. It overtakes the desires, all the desires of the tongue to simply chant Krishna's holy name, and it overwhelms all the desires of the ear to hear nothing other than Krishna's holy name. This is the prayojana, this is the result which we have to achieve. And this can be achieved, and actually the entire Vedanta Sutras, Vedas, they are all talking about this, that we have to achieve this stage. If we simply keep chanting Hare Krishna mantra, Krishna mantra japasada. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, his Guru, this is what his Guru advised him. Simply go on chanting Hare Krishna mantra, it will finally take you to this stage. So chanting Hare Krishna mantra gives you Sambandha Jnana, it is the Abhideya, and it is the Prayojana. So you see how in the Hare Krishna mantra everything is included. And so therefore, one who understands and knows this is called a Brahmana.